So now we're at the edge banding station. So exactly like what we're talking about with the CNC station, what we want the operator to do is let us know when a job has started and when a job is completed at this station. So we're not asking him to scan all the parts or that kind of stuff. What the customer decided was really, show me when you start, show me when you finish, using the same sheet of paper that we saw at the CNC machine. So what happens is that they pull out the cart, they do the first scan when they start scanning, and they start doing their edge banding on the part. Once they completed all the part of the edge banding, they're going to do the final scan, what's going to update into the system to specify that the part has been edge banding, the job is completed at the edge banding station. What we want to do at this station is really track the status of where it is and also be able to track the time that it takes for the work order at the edge banding station. They can also do the same thing at the CNC. If there's a broken part through the process, they can scan the barcode of the part, what's going to load up for us, the 3D drawing of what the part it is, and then be able to select the part that is damaged and specify why it is damaged, and that will again send back a signal directly to the operator where it retakes the part into our process. One other little interesting thing that we have with the system is that we do have what we call an internal chat. So anytime you can communicate with other people from different station or different users. That is only internal in Production Assistant. So if there's a specific thing to specify, well, they can write it down directly into that chat system.